Hello guys, today we are going to perform an activity based on Ohm's law. Meet George Simon Ohm, who was the founder of Ohm's law. He was born on March 16, 1789, who was a German physicist. Let us discuss relationship between the potential difference and circuit with an experiment. To find out the value of electric current flowing in the circuit, place an ammeter on the table. Similarly, to measure the potential difference across the conductor, place a voltmeter on the table. Now, to change the value of current flowing through a conductor, place rheostat on the table, which is also called variable resistance. To perform an experiment, place a battery eliminator on the table, which acts as a DC source. Bring the one-way key on the table. Place a nichrome wire which acts as the unknown resistor on the table. Now, to connect the electric components, bring the banana crocodile clip wire on the table. And finally, place the banana clip on the wire on the table. Using banana crocodile clip wire, connect a positive terminal of the battery eliminator to the one end of the one-way key. Take another banana crocodile clip, connect the another one end of the way key to the upper end of the rheostat. Now, with the help of banana crocodile clip wire, connect the lower end of the rheostat to the one end of the unknown resistor. Take another banana crocodile clip wire, connect the other end of the unknown resistor to the one end of the ammeter. By using banana clip wire, connect the another end of the ammeter to the negative terminal of the battery eliminator. With the help of two banana crocodile clip wires, connect the two ends of the resistor to the two terminals of the voltmeter. Now, switch on the battery eliminator. Pick up the plug and insert into the one-way key. First, drag the rheostat slider to the upper terminal and takes the reading of the ammeter and voltmeter. Remove the plug by tapping one-way key. Now, slightly drag to the rheostat slider towards the lower terminator. Again, insert the plug in the key and take the readings of ammeter and the voltmeter. Again, remove the plug from the key and drag the rheostat slider a bit more towards the lower resistance terminal. Insert the plug key and take the readings of ammeter and the voltmeter. Repeat the procedure and take at least two more readings. The graph represents the readings of the ammeter and the voltmeter.